full aqua turquoise, and gives you a bit of a preview of what the shoe is going to look like. Whoa. My first impressions is... G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do all sorts of videos, reviews, grooming, finance. Have a look through my videos. If anything piques your interest, be sure to subscribe. Today I'm unboxing a brand new pair of Nike Air Max 90s, which just came the other day in this box. Now, Nike Air Max 90s are my favorite shoe. They're stylish and extremely comfortable. And this is my fourth pair of Nike Air Max 90s. But the other three pairs that I've owned have all been black, so this is my first non-black pair of Nike Air Max 90s. The first two pairs I had were these, the Nike Air Max 90s Essential. When they get dirty, you can even chuck them in the washing machine and they come up really nice. So I've owned two pairs of these. Late last year, I think, or early this year, I got the leather version, which are not as comfortable, but still really comfortable. They just appear a little bit more classy since they're all leather. I should also mention that earlier this year, I picked up a pair of Nike Air Force Ones, white on white. Not as comfortable as the Air Max 90s, but arguably just as stylish, if not more stylish. However, I've been looking to get another pair of Nike Air Max 90s, and when this sale popped up, I got these for about 90 Australian dollars. I had to grab them. So we'll do the unboxing and I'll give you my thoughts, and then I'll put a few different pairs of pants and outfits on so you can see what they look like with various combinations. Alright, so this is the box it came in from Nike. Pretty bland box. Contrast that with the box that the shoe comes in. Full aqua turquoise, and gives you a bit of a preview of what the shoe is going to look like. Whoa. My first impressions is the turquoise or aqua just pops up, but there's not so much that it overpowers the shoe. There's enough grey here, enough neutral colors here that I feel it complements the shoe really well, really nicely. Okay, what have we got here? It's got this cool little tag here, and then it comes with arch supports, which are also in this teal aqua turquoise color. So yeah, and first impressions looking at these shoes, they look like statement shoes. Like, I know they'll stand out, but they're not so in your face. It's not like the whole shoe is teal. The color is actually called Hyper Turquoise. Some of the features of this shoe is that it's a heritage style with modern comfort, clean lines, versatile and timeless, featuring the same iconic waffle sole, stitched overlays, and classic TPU accent you've come to love. It has a low profile style, a low top design combined with a padded collar for a sleek look that feels soft and comfortable. Originally designed for performance running, the Max Air unit adds unbelievable cushioning, and it's infused with Nike DNA. The rubber waffle sole adds traction, durability, and heritage style, all with a retro appeal. Benefits: the foam midsole adds cushioning that lasts, flex grooves in the outside sole bend with your foot, and the color is white, hyper turquoise, black, and particle grey. Okay, so that is the shoe straight out of the box. I think they look really good. I'm excited to try them on. They remind me of the shoe that Homer Simpson got in that episode, the Assassins. Like, they just kind of stand out. So now let's see what they look like on me with different types of pants. Okay, well, they're pretty comfy, just as comfy as my black pair. Let's take this tag off. Keep that as a collector's item. Okay, that's what it looks like with just a casual pair of grey track pants. I think they complement the grey pretty well. A bit of extra colour. So I don't think they're overly loud. This is what it looks like with acid wash jean style. So these are a different shade of blue, a bit more of a normal blue. That's what it looks like with the turquoise, the hyper turquoise as Nike call it. So what do you think of that look? Also, I think it's pretty subtle. Adds some flavor to the outfit. Okay, next up we've got these khaki green pants. So very earthy color, very neutral tones with the dark navy blue and the khaki, but then you've got these white with the turquoise accents. So again, it's just a shoe that can bring a casual outfit to life. Next up, some grey chinos. So we're getting a bit more of a classy pant. But you can wear these and make the outfit casual. Maybe you've got work that day or a more classy event, but then you want to swap over your shoes for something more casual that evening. This is what it would look like. Camel colored track pants. Again, they just stand out, but not in your face. Adds a bit of character to your earthy or natural outfit. Earthy tones. And lastly, we've got the black track pants. And these obviously contrast a lot more, so wearing this out, you know, you can't hide these shoes. These shoes are going to stand out if you wear it against black, but really emphasizes the shoe, really accentuates what you're wearing on your feet. The turquoise is all there for people to see. And one last outfit, I'm going to change the top. I've got this hoodie, which kind of has this blue color. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I've swapped over and this is what it looks like with the hoodie. So similar colors to the shoe. We've got the shoe and the hoodie, similar blue. Bit different shade, but yeah, this is a really cool casual look, but then it's obvious that I'm pairing the shoe with the hoodie, so it's a bit more of a fashionable statement. Alright guys, those are just some of the pants that I'd be looking to pair with this shoe. Let me know what sort of combinations you would wear with this shoe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button for the algorithm and to support the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're alerted to my next videos. That will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.